solving equations, we want to get the variable by itself. So in this case, we've got 3 plus x equals 4. So we need to do something to this 3 to get the x by itself. Well, our 3 is positive, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides in order to get x by itself. So 3 minus 3 just gives me 0. So then I'm just left with x, and then 4 minus 3 gives me 1. So x equals 1 is my answer there. All right, our next example, we've got x minus 12 equals 9. Well, I still need to get my x by itself. I notice that I've got a minus 12, so I'm going to do the opposite operation. So if I'm subtracting, the opposite is to add. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides. So I get x equals, because a negative 12 plus 12 just gives me 0. So 9 plus 12 gives me 21. All right, if I have 5x equals 15, that's really saying 5 times x equals 15. So the opposite operation of multiply is to divide. So if I divide both sides by 5, 5 divided by 5 just gives me 1. So 1 times x, I can just write as an x. 15 divided by 5 gives me 3. So I get x equals 3. And then our last example, x divided by 4 equals 6. Well, the opposite operation of division is to multiply. So if I multiply both sides by 4, then it actually gets rid of my fractions. Then I'm just left with x, because it's really saying like 4 times x divided by 4, which 4 divided by 4 gives me 1. 6 times 4 gives me 24. So I get x equals 24. If you guys have any questions on this, please let me know.